Here's your birthday cake, Chewy. Look at the little paw. Okay, go, Chura, here. Chica. Chica's eating your cake na, Boot. No? Chica, here. Boot. Happy birthday, Chura, Boot. Long life. Let's do this. Happy birthday, Chura. Thank you. Happy birthday. You're 9 years old na yan. Wow. Binatang-binata na. Kuya Arman. Kuya, happy birthday daw, sabi ni Churo.
Happy birthday. Salamat sa spaghetti.
Thank you, Kuya Arman. I love you. Inaalagaan mo ko lagi. Is it your birthday? How nice my dress is. Ups. Hi-ho, hi-ho. Up the hill we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. I want my chula boy. My chula, my choo-choo-doo-doo-doo. My chula bang, my chula bang, my choo-choo-doo-doo-doo. Happy birthday to my bestest friend ever. Oh no, Judah. No, 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 no. You're my best friend, the love of my life. You're my nurse, my guard, my best friend, my entertainer. What else? My roommate, my housemate, my baby, my only baby, and my bestest friend in the whole wide world, and the love of my life. I love you, Chura, so much. Mama loves you. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Toothbrush time. Oh, wow, look at this. Okay, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang liliit ng mga toothbrush. Pang baby talaga. Hello, everybody. It is 11:15 p.m. and I am about 2 hours late in washing up and wiping down and brushing and toothbrushing my fur babies. So Chura and Chica are super used to a 9 p.m. wash up. So they just want to like do their toothbrush and they're like, they hate the brush, but I gotta brush them down so that matanggal yung mga extra fur nila na, alam mo yon, ang kakapal na rin kasi ng buhok nila, and Pomeranians are known for their coats. So, ayan, tinatawag na ako ni Chura because it is time to get ready for bed. I didn't always brush their teeth, but I learned to recently because it's super important, and I found a really good toothpaste from Korea, and I found really great Korean products for dogs. So I am starting to really look for the best products for their grooming, and it was such a full day for them too. Napagod sila sa pag-celebrate ng birthday nila kasi magkalapit lang yung birthday nila. So, tara na, let's just do this toothbrushing in para, alam yun, malinis sila and mabango kasi katabi ko sila matulog. So, kailangan